Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's wig review is brought to you by MyFirstWig. I'm gonna just unbox the wig for you guys and show you everything that comes in this box. So they supply everything that you need to make your process much easier. So they had elastic, they also had bobby pins, a comb, and some other contents. So actually they sent the elastic, but they already have elastic in the cap, which is really great. So let's get into the review. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another wig review from MyFirstWig. If you guys watch my channel a lot, you know I've worked with this particular company a lot over the last 2 or 3 years. And they were featured in my 2018 human hair wig favorites video. They make high quality human hair wigs for beginners. So if you're somebody who you love your synthetic wigs, but the longevity and everything is starting to get to you and you want to invest in a human hair wig, I feel like this is a good company to invest in because of everything that comes with the wig. And I showed you guys all of the contents that come with this wig in the box before this footage. So, well, the knots could be bleached a little bit actually, but I'm not gonna do that today. You don't always have to bleach your knots because sometimes powder is enough, but now that I look at it, I could have bleached the knots on it. The texture on this wig is kinky straight, and it feels like African American hair, like healthy, thick hair. I'm just gonna try this on without manipulation and see how it looks. Thank God they have the elastic band already sewed in the cap. I know how to do a lot with my wigs. I know how to do a ton of things with my human hair wigs and synthetic wigs, but sometimes I don't want to have to do like sewing the elastic band in my wigs. I feel like that's like inconvenient, so I'm glad they have that. And this one has like that bra strap adjustable hook situation going on with the elastic, so that's good. So even if your head is too small for a wig, the elastic band usually helps with adjusting the cap to fit you a little bit better. So that's inside the wig cap. You get your 2 combs on the far right and left. You get some lace in the back as well as a comb and adjustable straps. This is the area of all the lace. What cap size did I get? I have a size 2 cap, which is a 22.5 to a 23-inch cap, which is gonna be good because I have a 23-inch head circumference. So I'm just gonna try this on without manipulation and we'll see how it is. First of all, I know, well, I'm gonna take my jacket off so I can get more comfortable. Just right off the bat, this texture feels really, really nice. And it's very full. I don't know what the density is on this, but it feels great. And it looks very natural. So let's see what it looks like with that lace pull back. All right, so that's what the hairline is looking like. It feels really, really great. Alright, so I have cut the lace, as you guys saw. I do feel like the hairline could be thinned out just a tad bit. I think it looks pretty natural already. but I just want to thin it out just a little bit more. So I'm just going to take my tweezers and thin the hairline out just a bit. And I'm just laying the tweezers on the hairline and just pinching them and gliding, just taking a little bit of hair away from the hairline. I really don't have to worry too much about this side because the bang is on this side. Because this is a hue and hair wig and it's like full lace in the front, you can decide on what side you want the part to be on. Okay, just thinned it a little bit more. This side, because it won't be seen, I'm just gonna tuck it in. Okay, for the rest of the hairline, I'm gonna get my Got2b Glued Freeze Spray and I'm gonna spray it over my hairline. I spray right on top of the lace. This is just like an easy way to adhere wigs and it's not messy using glues and stuff. All you need to do to remove Got2b Glued Freeze Spray is to saturate your lace with water using a spray bottle and it will lift up. So this is like a temporary fix. If you want to wear this for extended amounts of time, for days on end, you would probably want to opt for like the Got2b Glue gel and blow dry it and stuff, or opt for a glue. But I've only tried glue once or twice and I didn't really like it, so I stick to Got2b Glue. Guys, so I am back and I have flat ironed this wig. I ran a hot comb through the root of it and then I added some curls using my flat iron. This wig is very, very beautiful. The hairline and everything was very natural. I did tweeze it because it was already pre-tweezed, but I just wanted to tweeze it just a little bit more. I did not bleach the knots on this wig and I felt like I could see the knots on the wig. And I just put powder on it and it looks very natural with just powder. No bleach knots at all. And it looks like that. This was a very easy wig to apply. Now I will say, because this is a kinky straight wig and it is very full, like I don't think I've ever had a bob this full, like a human hair bob this full. It's beautiful, it's very beautiful. But because it's so thick, it wasn't like Aries that I reviewed like a couple weeks ago or a month or so ago. it took me a longer time to run my flat iron through it because it's so much hair. Like just this side alone, because it has the very full bang, it took me longer to style this wig than it did Aries, which I don't mind because it's still very pretty. I decided to just put a little bit of curls in the bang area and keep the bottom straight, and then this side is completely straight. So I'll give you guys a turnaround. Very, very full. It's not skimping on density at all. It's spring now, then we're gonna transition into summer. This is probably gonna make you hot, especially back here, because it is a kinky straight texture and it's very, very full. But I think it's absolutely beautiful and it looks very natural. Application was super easy and it didn't take much effort to make the lace blend into my complexion. I have light brown lace. The parting space is a 6-inch deep Partline. This is a lace front wig. Have it in a natural color. This is 14 inches. So I think Aries was like a 12 or 10. As far as shedding goes, I don't have any shedding or tangling with this wig. It just looks very, very beautiful. And this is a kind of wig or human hair wig I would reach for during the week. Honest to goodness, like when I'm just running errands or I'm just trying to go somewhere with Adrian, I wear my synthetic wigs because they're so easy to apply and then go. I don't like having to glue down my whole hairline. With this particular wig, I would reach for it because first of all, it's short. All you gotta do is probably add a little bit of curls and flat iron it. It doesn't take that much effort. And with this wig, I didn't even glue this side down over here because I know this bang was gonna fall over it. I just sprayed some Got To Be Glued all on this side and then used my blow dryer on cool to make sure nothing was curling up. And I didn't even tie in a scarf on my head or anything. The blow dryer and my comb took care of making the lace lie flat. So for the girls out there that are like me, that love kinky straight textures with their human hair wigs, this one might be for you. You can check it out on MyFirstWig, their website. I'll have a link in the description box for you guys. If there's any coupon codes or anything, they'll be listed down below as well. I want to thank MyFirstWig for working with me again, and I want to thank you guys for supporting my channel. So if you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and turn on your notifications so you'll be notified every time that I do another upload. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.